What's up, y'all? I'm Canadian Cuisine, the smoke lamb specialist. Come get what I do. Let us be your who when it comes to lamb. Today, we're talking about my 5 favorite tools. I really got more than that. We're just gonna say I got 5 favorite tools today. Something essential that you need to take your cooking game to the next level. I know some of y'all might just be starting off and you just ain't got all that stuff when you don't have that many tools, it affects your vision. But we want your vision to be real big. You hear me? From here on out, we want your vision to be big. And I know some of y'all gonna be scared, but you know what? You gonna do it. You hear me? Yeah, man. I get to have a cooking show right now. Amen to that. We ain't talking about tomorrow. We ain't talking about next week, next month, or next year. We talking about right now. Amen to that. Today we are talking about 5 of my favorite kitchen tools. Things that will take your cooking game a little further. It's gonna span you out a little bit more like this here. That's what you want. Now when I started out cooking, I ain't had that much. But once I found out that certain tools allow you to take on better recipes or more complicated recipes, I really got excited. I really started buying stuff out the frame, and all the stuff that I bought, I don't need. So I'm trying to save you some money, but at the same time, give you speed, give you the things that really matter. Cause once you get excited about cooking, you start cooking stuff you ain't never cooked before, it's easy to get excited and be wasting money. Just be spending money, just be spending it. I'm trying to save you from spending money. I want you to make smart choices. You hear me? If I had somebody to help me make smart choices, I would have been cool. But I went too far. I got extremely excited. So I'm trying to bless somebody with smart decisions and speed. So here we go. All right, the first thing I think that could be valuable to you is a bench scraper. That right there, you see that right there? That's a bench scraper. What it does for me, how I use it is, I use it to scrape up my vegetables. Like when I chop up onions and carrots and bell peppers and garlic or whatever, I use it to go and scrape up everything, scoop, and then put it in the bowl or whatever I'm gonna do with it. That way I ain't got to worry about cutting myself with my knife, trying to be like other folks on TV, putting everything, scooping it up on a knife and raking it off. Cause see, I'm terrified of that because I'd have cut the hell out myself before with a knife and all these other tools. I done had some bad experiences. So to save myself from those experiences and get you a bench scraper. You ain't got to worry about getting cut. It get a whole lot of food at one time. You scoop it up in the bowl. So that's number 1. Number 2, you need to get you a real deal chef knife. You need you a real deal. You see that right there? Now this is up there, you know what I'm saying? This one of them knives you buy once you have, gained a certain level of skill. It kind of justifies the purpose and you'll be able to appreciate it. But starting off, you wanna get you something like a Shun. It's spelled S-H-U-N. I recommend $100 Shun starting off. If they have it on sale for the 80, that's cool. But you got to spend some money on your chef knife because a chef knife is very important. You're gonna do most of your cutting and chopping with this knife. You really ain't gotta get no other knives after this. You can, but if you only have one knife, you need you a chef knife for sure. This right here is a Miyabi birchwood. Now you looked it up on your own. A Miyabi birchwood. It ain't cheap, but it's handling business for me. I ain't recommending that for you. If you starting out or whatever, I recommend you get that Shun, S-H-U-N. It's a Shun chef knife, 8 inches to 10 inches. I think a 9-inch to 10-inch knife is the best length. You can go with an 8 or a 9, but it's something about that long knife that you can handle a whole lot of business. It's the best thing for you. I done bought other knives, but I find myself not really using them other knives. I'm always gonna come back to my chef knife. You don't want to be going to Target and Walmart getting you no knife that costs $12.99. If you buy a knife that's $12.99, you really losing. I really suggest not doing it. Go on, spend that money, get you a knife that you can actually sharpen yourself, or send to a professional knife sharpener so he can keep it sharp for you. Don't be trying to save no money, give you no $18.99 knife from Walmart or Target or something. Go on, spend that money now. If you know if you got a burning yearning in your heart to cook good food, go on, spend that money now. If you plan, you just cook cause you just need something to eat. I just need to eat. If you one of them type of people, fine, go on ahead and get you a $12.99 knife. Go on ahead and do that. But if you feel like, man, I'm finna birth something great, I'm finna really be cooking some stuff that I never ever cooked in my life before, go on, spend that money. That's a good purchase. I'm telling you, this is from somebody who has spent too much money already messing with this equipment. I'm trying to help you out. So those two things right there is great advice in my opinion. So we're gonna move to number 3. Need you a food processor. Food processor gonna take your cooking game from here to here. That junk gonna go woof. You hear me? Because you can processing food. It allow you to do stuff like bolognese, or you might have something that like cauliflower rice, or there's a whole lot of stuff you can do with a food processor. And I recommend this one right here. I forgot. This is a Cuisinart 14. It's been around forever, and it took me a long time to go and make the decision to get one of these devices. You can find on Amazon for about $150, I guess. But man, it changed the game. You can engage more recipes, you know what I'm saying? Because you kind of limited if you ain't got no food processor. I mean, you can slice up potatoes real thin. You can shred up carrots. You can do all kinds of stuff. There's so many things you can do with this for the most part. But what I do, I just process up things like I need like some bacon. I want to chop up some bacon, or I really want to make a sofrito. I can throw all the ingredients in here. They go and it's done. You hear me? I ain't all day trying to be fooling with it. Just take care of business. Just open your world up to new recipes. That's what you want. And I'm telling you, this is another way to get excited and be spending more money. Don't be trying to find no other brands. None of that. This what the professionals use. A lot of professionals use this same Cuisinart 14 right now. They done had 100 years. It lasts. I ain't had no problems with it. This one of them good investments right here. All right, we're gonna go with number 4. Number 4, get you a good blender. Now, don't be going to Walmart and Target. I ain't got nothing against them. Do what you do. Walmart, Target, leave me alone. Don't be messing with me. But I'm just saying, get you a good blender. Get you something that like a Ninja or something like that. But I really want you to get a Vitamix. Now, Vitamix is a fool with the price, but they offer like a 7-year warranty off the wham. So if anything happened with this, you can send it back to Vitamix and they're gonna take care of it for you. This is a major investment right here, but I'm telling you, whatever you put in this thing right here, it's gonna chop it up. It's gonna blend it up, no problem. If you buy you a Bobo blender at Walmart, Target, or something like that, you might not be able to take on the recipes that you will eventually be trying to do once you really, really, really start cooking. So this one of them investments that hurt it. It hurted me, but I don't regret it at all because I'm able to blend up so many things. It take care of that business for me. And the Vitamix is that's a one-time. The stuff I'm showing you is like they're one-time purchases. You ain't gotta worry about I gotta buy another one later. When you buy these things right here, you bought it. You know what I'm saying? That's yours. You know what I'm saying? It's yours. As long as you ain't sharing it with other people, this thing gonna work. It's gonna work every time. You know what I'm saying? You got a little tamper that you can use to to mash your whatever you blend it up. You help blend it. You can let the steam out and you can control the speed. It can be super slow. It can go super fast. Whatever you twist this dial to, that's what it's gonna do. It's like a Mustang with a stick. Whatever you tell it to do, that's what it's gonna do. And if you buy one of these, you know, you're gonna be happy. And ain't none of these people paying me. I'm just telling you what I really have and what I really like. And then we're gonna go with number 5. I'm gonna scoot this over here. You know, y'all have seen this in my videos. This gas little stove right here. This right here. You know, just say for instance, you Christmas, Thanksgiving or whatever, and you know everybody using the stove, but you need one more eye for something. You know what I'm saying? Here go your one more eye right here. You can take care of business just like that. You can go way over there. You got one of them good houses with the island and all that. You can take this little eye right here and you can go and do that one more thing that you need to do for, you know, festivities or you entertaining or whatever. This come in handy. This is the Iwatani, I think. Yeah, Iwatani. They don't pay me. I'm just telling you what I really use, trying to bless you with some speed and smart decision making when it comes to buying stuff for your kitchen. If you want to be excited and you want to do all the things that come to your mind, you want to participate in all the recipes that you get, trying to help you have some stuff to help you accomplish what you're trying to do. Because if you anything like me, if you learn some new skills, you get excited. I want to do it, and you need the tools that you need to do it. And this is one of them good purchases. This is a one time. It's gonna last, and you have the little propane tank in here. This right here, take these little tanks right here. All you gotta do is take the top off, and then once you put it in here, bam. Do it like this right here. It's on, it's ready. There you go, it's working just like that. Hot heat, boom. Turn right off. It take a little while to make the canister empty too. It lasts pretty good. Them little cans don't cost that much, and like I said, it's gonna save you when you entertaining and everybody on the stove, but you got that one more thing that matter that I got to do. This gonna save you right here. So that's all I got for this episode. These are 5 of my favorite things. I got more than that, but we just gonna start out with this 5 because I swear I can give you speed. I can save you some money because I probably already bought something you looking at that you probably don't need. Ain't gonna do you no good, but you want to buy it. I'm gonna tell you, no, you don't need that. If you made it this far, I know you fool with me, and I thank the Lord for you every time. Make sure you check out that description box and look down there and see if it's something that you might want to engage with in that description box. You have information to contact me, and I encourage you to check out my Facebook page, Canadian Cuisine on Facebook, so you'll know when I got that lamb, because I want you to have that lamb in your mouth. I want you to enjoy that great thing that I do. And I thank you so much for tuning into the Canadian Cuisine channel. I know some of y'all gonna be scared to buy some of these things, but you know what? You gonna do it. You heard me.